Hello folks and welcome to the first day of Songkran. I am in Bangkok, Thailand, standing in the middle of this main road right next to Khao San Road. And the time is around about 8 p.m. and the streets are busier than ever because everybody's out celebrating New Year by throwing water at each other. I'm gonna head to Khao San now. I was here during Songkran last year, but it wasn't as busy as this. The turnout is even higher this year. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You see, the thing is, I'm unequipped, unarmed. I need to buy myself a water pistol just like I did last year from one of these local street vendors here. I feel like I'm going to be targeted a lot because I stand out in the crowd so easily. But yeah, Songkran right now is being celebrated all over Bangkok, all over Thailand. And Khao San Road is just one of few places where it's happening. On the way here from Asok, where I was staying, there was so many people celebrating it on the streets as well. From the bars to the malls. There was like a massive event outside Siam Paragon, which I think I might... dude, who's hitting me? Oh, it's ice cold. Which I might go to after this. But I can't really see anything. Look at this. There's a lot of water pistols here. Oh, 300 baht. Does it have a strap on that strap? Mia. Oh. Wow, the crowds are at absolute standstill right now, so I'm just gonna make my way through. Sorry. My goodness, I don't remember Khao San being this crazy last year. But that's because maybe I was here during the day rather than during the night when everyone's out. Hello, how you doing? Oh, nice, nice. I got some paint on me. Oh my goodness. How can you be selling food during Songkran where it's pissing down with water?
Songkran is very fun.
Oh yeah, it is very fun. The journey all the way to Bangkok, Thailand was not an easy one. I was up all night excited for this. Got a plane from Manila to Bangkok at 9 a.m. Arrived around about 12. Then went to my hotel, slept a little for like 2-3 hours. And now I'm in Khao San. Okay, it literally took about 20 minutes to get from just over there to this tent here because we got to go through security. So everybody's trying to funnel through. But we're here now, we finally made it. This is where the main action takes place, folks. Again, I don't have a water pistol. Hi ma'am, would you like to donate your gun to me or? Would you like to donate your gun to me? 500 baht. Okay. Alright folks, just a bit update. This is my setup. I bought myself an orange bag here that's waterproof and put my main bag in there. And then I also bought this water pistol for 400 baht along with a bag which was 50 baht, so 450 in total. I think I regretted my purchase because just over here they're selling an electric water gun. Look at this. For 900 baht, which is like double the price, but it's automatic. You ain't got to charge it, you just go bam, bam, bam. And look how far it reaches. Look, I'll shoot that guy over there. You see, bam, I can reach that guy, no problem. Boom, headshot. Look, boom, headshot, headshot. Who else? Boom, headshot. Look, boom, headshot, headshot. Who else? Belly shot, headshot, 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 headshot. Does it hurt? Yeah. I knock off, okay. Thank you. Oh, say your prayers. But yeah, this is not bad. You know, everybody's wearing protective glasses, like clear eyeglasses. I already got some paper, folks. Okay, cool. No worries. And yeah, I'm wearing my sunglasses to protect my eyes, I guess. I can still see, but vision is a little blurry. Da 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 da. Oh, who has got that insane water? Bro, that was a headshot. Hi, loco. Bloody hell. I don't even know what's going on now. Why is everyone targeting me, bro? What the fuck? Alright, I better get the fuck out of it. What are you selling? Are you selling? Hey, oh my god. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Yeah. Wow. Hey, you know what that is, eh? Tell her. Happy Songkran Day, sir. Tell her.
เท่าไหร่อ่ะ 400
200, okay. Happy Songkran, thank you. Dude, I am getting soaked. But you know what? I'm at a point where I don't care anymore, I think. I'm soaked enough. So it's now just fun. I'm gonna try to clean my shades. Doesn't help. People are getting gassed over the... I mean, is it Big Bang? I think. Yeah, look at this one behind me with the purple shades. Big shades, sorry. People are vibing. Woo! Woo! She wants the attention. Holy moly, it's everywhere here in Khao San Road. It's not just this road, it's all the neighbouring roads as well, but Khao San in particular is too busy for my liking, but this is a little bit more open, it's a little bit easier to walk around, it's a little bit more free, and the vibes are good, and there's lots of music being played around. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I'm just here waiting for a refill of my water gun from this store. I paid like 10 baht. Here she is. Thank you. Thank you. Problem time. Can you pump? Yeah. Can you pump? No. Dude, he's just posted up, just spraying people. Look at him. He's having too much fun. I've been walking around this area of Khao San for the past hour and I'm feeling a little hungry, but thankfully there's an abundance of food stalls here and we're going to get something to eat. I'm going to taste some delicious Thai street food, something that I've been craving for a while. Alright, I've come to this central area somewhere around Khao San and it seems as though here this area is like a ceasefire. Nobody's actually throwing water around and there's lots of food stalls here, and I've gone ahead and bought these noodles here for 35 baht, which I'm going to dig into. Oh yeah, I am so looking forward to this. Here we go. Oh yeah, you know, after a very intense water fight, some good street food is much deserved. Holy crap folks, that was Aroy. Now, I want to find some more food. Look at this. Look at the amount of food available. Look at this, we've got some delicious krapao ready to be eaten right away, right here, right now. Sound like me? 40. Oh, C-sip. Okay. Krapao here, krapao there, krapao everywhere. But you know, I already... Yo, the food, bro, the food. Let's not contaminate the food, folks. Thailand is the only place where you can have a full-blown water fight festival and make a street food documentary at the same time. Look at it. That's insane. Hi, how are you? Oh. They're eating pad Thai. What are you so excited? This dude in front of me just put a little bit of the white powder on my nose. I'm a naughty boy now with a big boy gun. Oh, wait, this is a ceasefire area. One street food store that really caught my eye is just over here. They've got this huge pan and they're just cooking up omelets right in the middle of the street. Oh my god, look at this. It's just sizzling away. Isn't this mouth-watering? Looks like some sort of okonomiyaki, but it's a Thai version. You know what this is?
This is the oyster fire. Fried oyster.
Oh, fried oyster?
Yeah,
oh, shit, I can't do oyster. I can't do oyster. Alright folks, I'm done eating and I bumped into two new friends that I met here at the street food stalls. Yeah, they're right in front of me here. I'm just making friends here in Khao San and having a good time. Woo. Let's go. How do you like my glasses? Ah, lady boy attacked me.
Lady boy is so sexy.
Really? Lady sexy?
You are.
I'm sexy.
You are.
Oh. We joined the warfare again.
We can go inside of here.
Yeah. Huh. Hey. Look at the amount of guns here, oh my goodness me. I hope they sell all of this for Songkran. They probably will. Oh. taking it like a soldier. Kentana! Kentana yo! You need some water! Kentana! Kentana! He's spraying me, oh, this little kid. Headshot! No way! The guy's got a suitcase in the middle of Songkran. Buddy's travelling during Songkran in Khao San Road. This was day one of Songkran here in 2024. I think it's the biggest Songkran I've ever been to in the 3 years which I've attended the Songkran festival. But I think I'm going to wrap up today's video here and then go home where it all begins. Once again for day 2 of Songkran. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.